Hey, let me show you how we can control volume level by using this touch gestures on the Sony WF-1000XM5. So as you can see currently, I can actually raise the volume level. And how we can do this? First of all, we have to actually be connected with our device and the Sony headphones application. We have to click on the system, and then we have to scroll for change the touch sensor function, click on the settings icon, and now on the left earbud, when you scroll all the way down, you can actually find information that you can lower the volume with 4 repeat taps. Then on the right one, we can do the same, but we can raise the volume. So now when you actually change the playback control or ambient sound, on the both presets, the repeat volume appears right here. And when you click done, now when you input both earbuds inside your ears and play some music, some audio files, you will be able actually to click 4 times quickly to increase or decrease the volume. As you can see, when I keep tapping, I can all the time raise the volume. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.